यार यार कोई किताब मुझे किसी ने रेकमेंड की, मैला चला, हाँ फणीश्वरनाथ रेणु। यार मैंने कभी नाम सुना नहीं था। क्या बात कर रहा है, तूने
Of
नाम नहीं सुना
course.
था? पूरा देश आजादी की लड़ाई में उबल रहा था। इट्स अ वेरी सरफेस लेवल। कोई गांधी जी हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहे हैं, ये कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या है ये पार्टी?
Love the other side of you right now, which is Besharam Admi. Guys, this is what I love about Amol, that he's still making time for being on the stage. He's still making time for the theater. It takes a lot for a one man to put a one man show out also.
I've never done this before.
It is absolutely amazing. So congratulations on
Thank
that.
you.
What should we watch, like, or read, or something that your dimag, it opened your mind. And I'll give you an example. I just watched Sinners.
I've
Okay.
heard a lot about it.
Oh
Yeah,
man!
I've heard a lot
And I
about
heard
it.
so much, and I thought that the hype is too much. So मैंने पहले देखा ही नहीं. मैंने कहा देखते हैं यार. Then I watched it, and I was just like, I cannot recommend it enough because it's such
that's
a
the feeling I've
it's
noticed
such a
in
great
people.
film.
Yeah.
And I don't want to say anything about it because I went in not knowing anything, and that's how it should be. But it changed something inside of you. So anything that you watched or read or
Last whatever comes to my mind, one is Baby Reindeer, which is a show on Netflix.
of course.
Interestingly, it
writing.
also came out of a one-man show, which is based on his true life experiences. My show is not based on my true life experiences. But it was a one-man show that he used to perform, and that eventually became a show, just like Fleabag. Baby Reindeer, I Lord Patal Lok,
Two.
yeah, one also, and two also. In terms of reading, I recently picked up this book called Mela Achal. It is written by Phanishwarnath Renu. I had never heard of this name, and I have been shamed enough for that because when I said, "यार कोई किताब मुझे किसी ने recommend की, मैला चला, हाँ फणीश्वरनाथ रेणु।" यार मैंने कभी नाम सुना नहीं था। क्या बात कर रहा है, तूने नाम नहीं सुना था?
Of course.
So I was just like, वो मतलब somehow I never came in my world. I never heard this name, and he's supposed to be like this legend. He's almost at the level of Premchand or
क्या
whatever.
बात है?
And this was recommended because in Mela Achal is set in kind of like all mildly pre-independence India. कि अभी वो स्वराज मूवमेंट और वो सब चल रहा है, but it's based in a small village. So when we were shooting for ग्राम चिकित्सालय,
What a
and
great
somebody said कि
companion.
क्या ये मेला आंचल का टाइप की दुनिया है? Is it based in that? I said नहीं, मेला आंचल क्या है? ये तो डॉक्टर है जो आता है।
क्या बात?
बोला वो अच्छा मेला आंचल बहुत अच्छा नॉवल है और वो आज तक कभी बना नहीं, और ऐसा उन्होंने पूरा एक भूमिका बांधी कि इट्स लाइक अ क्लासिक in Hindi literature, and a lot of people have tried to adapt it, and so I immediately मैं ऐसी चीजों को इमीडिएटली कार्ट में डालता हूँ, ऑर्डर करता
Same, हाँ,
हूँ, जैसे
बिल्कुल।
सुनता हूँ मैंने पढ़नी शुरू की और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, द राइटिंग इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इट्स अ स्मॉल विलेज एंड इट्स प्री इंडिपेंडेंस, और हमने हिस्ट्री वैसे पढ़ी है ना कि पूरा देश आजादी की लड़ाई में उबल रहा था, इट्स अ वेरी सरफेस लेवल line, right? But there were crores and crores of people with different levels of awareness. So in a small village, what do they know? They've heard about some guy called Gandhi. कोई गांधी जी हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहे हैं, ये कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या है ये पार्टी? कौन है सोशलिस्ट पार्टी? So what is happening in that village at the grassroots? There is all kinds of stuff. There is caste politics. There is laws are changing. कि कोई नया कानून लेके आ रहे हैं, कौन है भाई कानून? कौन है ब्रिटिश राज? कौन है ये? So all these systems जो ऊपर पे ऑपरेट करते हैं, वहाँ एक छोटे से गांव में उसका क्या मतलब है?
क्या
How does
बात
it affect their lives?
How lovely.
And it's written in a very it's very spoken at that time, like the English words have creeped in but they're not said properly.
Properly, yeah.
तो बताया कि वो ऑप्टल जो बोल रहा है भाई वो हॉस्पिटल बोलते हैं, तो वो सबने हॉस्पिटल सुन के ऑप्टल ले जाओ, इसको ऑप्टल ले जाओ। तो इस तरह की लैंग्वेज जो उस टाइम का इंग्लिश होगा या उस टाइम का कोलोकियल होगा,
बिल्कुल।
so very like it sucks you into that world.
How
वो
lovely.
characters जिस तरह के हैं और वो सब है, so that I've been reading because we were talking about psychology a little bit. मुझे उसमें थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता है. The last book I read in that
Genre.
genre is a book called Happiness Hypothesis. Sounds like self-help, but it was, I found it very interesting. Like, it broke down many ideas for me of things that what is the human mind in terms of biology, in terms of culture, in terms of history, different ways of thinking, ancient wisdom with modern
Oh, lovely.
science. कुछ अच्छा
I read
interesting
a
लगा।
very fascinating book recently. It's called The Shortest History of the Universe.
Hmm.
And it's so fun because it is the shortest history of the universe. And it बार वो
तो
पूरी
Big Bang से शुरू
कहानी
होती है वो।
Big Bang only. But Big Bang जिस तरीके से वो बार रेफरेंस करते हैं, they've like made a short code with it. से आपको याद होगा ना कि बिग बैंग हुआ था, उसके बाद ये हुआ था, सो अब वो बार आता रहता है, आपको याद है ना ये हुआ था. इट्स लाइक अ मेमोरी गेम. इट्स सच अ फैसिनेटिंग बुक, सो प्लीज रीड इट if you want to start, मतलब starter pack है for understanding the meaning of life and 42 and all of it. So yeah.